What's up guys? So I literally just got the 2020.12.5 update for my Tesla, which comes with a few interesting new features, so let's take a deep dive into those right now. So I was super surprised to get this update literally only 1 week after I got my last update, which you can see in the video linked in the description. This update only started rolling out to US customers about 4 days ago, so it really is the latest that Tesla has to offer. The update process took about 45 minutes in total to download and install, so it was very quick and seamless. Now that it's updated, we'll run through the release notes. The first thing you'll see is the new Dashcam Viewer. Up until now, if you wanted to review your Sentry Mode or Dashcam recordings, you'd have to plug out your memory stick connected to the car and plug it into your laptop or smartphone. However, with this latest update, you can now easily view any Sentry Mode or Dashcam recordings either by clicking on the Dashcam icon while parked, which will reveal a new menu where you can quickly launch the viewer, or by clicking on a Sentry Mode event report icon, which will also open the new viewer. The viewer itself is very well designed. As you can see, it consists of a center display area surrounded by 4 smaller screens representing footage recorded from the front, rear and 2 side cameras respectively. If you click on any one of these screens, it will start playing the feed from that camera on the main display. If you click the list option at the top left of the viewer, you will see a list of all the recordings currently stored on your memory stick. Here you can filter by Sentry Mode or Dashcam recordings easily, and all the recordings are arranged by date. Simply tap on a recording to start viewing. Along the bottom of the viewer, you can easily scrub through the recording to quickly skip through the content. If the recording contains nothing of interest, you can simply click the trash icon to delete the recording. Unfortunately, there's no quick way to bulk delete recordings yet, or to delete them from the list menu, but this will probably come in a future software update. While we're on the topic of Dashcam and Sentry Mode recordings, you'll also note that the icon for Sentry Mode has been changed from the HAL 9000 icon it was previously to a new, more minimalist icon. This is because Tesla actually got in trouble for using the HAL 9000 image without the appropriate copyright from the movie studio responsible for making the movie. As you can see, when Sentry Mode is disabled, the icon is black and white, but when enabled, the center circle turns red. When invoked, the new Sentry Mode system looks like this, which I think looks a lot better than the previous version. And when the alarm state is triggered, it looks like this. The sound of the alarm system has remained unchanged. So that's the Sentry Mode and Dashcam updates. The second update mentioned in the release notes was related to out-of-order supercharger stalls. The map can now tell you if any of the stalls at a supercharging station are out of order. This is great for planning trips, since now, in addition to telling you which stalls are occupied by other Tesla vehicles, you now have the visibility to see if other stalls are out of order. Another change to the Maps app comes in the form of a slight update to the navigation search interface. The Navigate to Home and Work buttons are now much larger than they were previously, while other items such as your favourite locations or the I'm feeling hungry or lucky buttons have now been made slightly less prominent. Also of note is that third-party charging stations are now visible on the map, so you can easily navigate to any ESB or other charging stations without having to use your smartphone. This feature was actually added in the previous update, but I thought I'd mention it now since I missed it in my last video. You'll also notice a minor update to track mode, where the UI overlay issue in the previous update has now been resolved. In terms of autopilot, the only noticeable difference from the previous update is that it now seems to detect stop lines more consistently, and the stop lines themselves are rendered as being thicker and more noticeable on the UI. So that's it for today's video. I'll be changing my release schedule for videos from now on, so you can expect a new video on the channel every Monday, in addition to video specials like this one, where I'll cover the latest updates and major announcements from Tesla. As always, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more Tesla videos. And until then, I'll see you in the next one.